In today's video, I'll show you how to personalize emails in Constant Contact to make each message feel unique. Start by placing your cursor where you want the personalized greeting to appear. Go to the Insert menu and select Greeting tag. This automatically pulls each contact's name from your Constant Contact list and displays it in the email. You can customize the greeting word like hello, hi, or dear, and choose whether to show the first name, last name, or both. Add punctuation such as a comma or exclamation point to set the tone. Don't forget to set a default greeting for contacts without a name. This keeps your emails friendly and professional even if some info is missing. Once everything looks right, click Insert, and that's it. Your email is now personalized, helping you connect with each recipient and boost engagement.